Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Keep it simple. Let's begin with CAT 2017 Slot 2 Quant question. This is somewhat logical question. You have to infer the data. Consider three mixtures. The first having water and liquid A in the ratio 1:2. So if you want to try this question, please pause the video and solve it. After that you can match the answer. So liquid 1 it is given. In this ratio of water and liquid A is given. So water is one part and second part is like 1:2 is given. The ratio of water is to liquid A. So in first mixture, what quantity of liquid A is present? Like 2 part out of 3 is liquid A, and water it is present as 1 part out of 3. In second mixture, liquid B is present and water is present, so B is 3 part out of 4 and water is 1 part out of 4. In third mixture, C is present 4 part out of fifth. See, it is given the ratio of water to liquid C. So 4 part out of 5 part is liquid C, and water in third mixture is 1 part out of 5. Now these three mixture of A, B, C respectively are further mixed in the proportion 4:3:2. Then the resulting mixture has, now these three mixture 1, mixture 2 and mixture 3 are then mixed in the ratio 4:3:2. So to remove proportionality sign, we will use one constant. So like mixture 1 was mixed in 4x quantity, 2 was of 3x quantity and 3 was of 2x quantity. So when mixture 1 was taken as 4x quantity or 4x liter, so in that 4x liter liquid A is 2/3 of that 4x, so 2 by 3 into 4x, and water is 1/3 of 4x. Liquid B is 3/4 of 3x and water is 1/4 of 3x. Liquid C is 4 by 5th of 2x liter and water is 1/5 of 2x liter. So total water in the mixture of 1 is to, like after mixing mixture 1, 2, 3, the total quantity of water is 4x by 3 plus 3x by 4 plus 2x by 5. Its LCM is 5, 4, 60. So 3, 20, 80x plus 15, 45x plus 12, 24x. So 120, 140, 145, 149. 149x by 60 is the amount of water present in the mixture 1, 2, 3. After mixing mixture 1, 2, 3, the amount of water will be 149x by 60. Now we will check the amount of liquid A, liquid B, liquid C, and after that we will check with the options. So liquid A is 8x by 3, that implies we will make this denominator as 60. It will be easy to compare afterwards. So multiply numerator and denominator by 20. So 160x by 60 is the amount of liquid A. Amount of liquid B is 9x by, see from here we are writing 9x by 4, making denominator as 60 by multiplying by 15. 15 9 ja 135 x by 60, and liquid C amount is 8x by 5, that implies multiplied by 12, 96x by 60. So liquid A C quantity, liquid B quantity, and liquid A quantity, and this is the quantity of water. Now we will check with the answer. So what question is asking is that after mixing in the proportion 4:3:2, the resulting mixture has, so check the option, the resulting mixture has the same amount of water and liquid B. Water is 149x by 60 and liquid B is 135x by 60. No, it is wrong. The same amount of liquid B and C. Liquid B is 135x by 60 and C is 96x by 60. Option B is also wrong. More water than liquid B. So water is 149x by 60 and liquid B is 135x by 60. So compare. So this 149x by 60 is greater than this second liquid B. So this option is correct. More water than liquid A. So liquid A is 160x by 60 and water is 149x by 60. No, here liquid A is more. More water than liquid A is wrong. So third option is the correct one. More water than liquid B. So option C is correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.